Hey there everyone, today's video is all about how to disable your Discord account on PC, especially with the new update that's just rolled out. If you're looking to take a break or need a temporary pause, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Discord app on your computer. Go ahead and launch it, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is your user settings. Click on that to dive into your account management options. Now, in the Settings menu, navigate to the My Account tab. Here, you'll be able to see all your account details. It's important to take your time and ensure you're in the right section before proceeding. Next up, you'll see an option labeled Disable Account. Click on that. Discord will prompt you to enter your password to confirm this action. Don't worry, this step is just to verify it's really you making this request. Once you've entered your password, finalize the process by clicking on the Disable Account button. And just like that, your account will be disabled. You'll still be able to reactivate it later if you change your mind. So, there you have it. Disabling your Discord account is quick and easy with just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and take care.